If you do any kind of woodworking, you need a dado set. So let's go ahead and check out the REQ'D set we have here. So now REQ'D's based out of Italy, and there's no question these are some of the best blades you can have. So now in this set, we can do anything from 1/4 inch all the way up to 7/8 dados. And you get those various thicknesses by stacking the blades, which is all spelled out in the directions. So let's take a look here. And I love that they attach it right to the case so you're not going to lose it. So here we have the various thicknesses. So whichever thickness we want to do, it tells us what blades we need. So I'm going to be doing 1/4 inch dado today. So I need one A blade and one B blade. So then right down below here it tells us what blades we have. We have a left outside, which is A, a right outside, which is B, and we get 2 1/8 inch 2-wing chippers, and then we get some spacers. So if we would stack all of this, we would get our combined total for our 7/8. So again, for my 1/4 inch, I'm going to need one A blade and one B blade, so it's going to be both of these. And again, I really like this case that it all comes in. Keeps it easy to store so you're not going to lose anything, and the wing nut holds everything nice and snug together. Shows you right on the blade the direction they need to be going. Now, depending how thick of a dado you're trying to do, you may have to keep your guard off of your table saw. That opening's only so wide. For 1/4 inch, I'm covered, so I'm good to leave that there. So I got my blade height and distance all set up for where I want to make my cut. We're ready to get started. I always like to run a demo piece through the saw before I get started to make sure my cut is right and I don't have to adjust the blade so I'm not messing up good lumber. And so there you have a beautiful, nice, cut, clean dado channel. Excellent blades. Add these to your set today.